Once you're in like the groove of it, it can be a really fun time.
On average, we usually serve 60 core members.
It definitely gets really intimidating, especially depending on what you're cooking.
My job is tiring, but I do enjoy making food. We basically wake up at 4:30 in the morning on weekdays.
Versus the weekends, we would be in the kitchen at 7.
And we tend to make breakfast and dinner for the core members here. Usually it involves a protein, a starch, and a vegetable.
Today, definitely did a decent amount of prep work.
Today I was making coffee cake.
Prep the zucchini, prep the onion.
I tend to make the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, and then we tend to combine it and make layers just for the coffee cake.
Precision is definitely key. With like prepping the zucchini, you want everything to be about the same width cut so it all cooks the same amount of time. If you don't, then you're gonna have like chunks of the zucchini. Some of it's still going to be raw, some might be too well cooked compared to the other pieces. So definitely been learning a lot about like the importance of that in this kitchen environment.
Actually go just a little.
It felt like when I was working in those other food industry jobs, there was absolutely like no room for mistakes. Versus here, it's a very comfortable environment. I definitely feel comfortable like asking clarification questions. My confidence in the kitchen is definitely built up just through like the hands-on experience that I've gotten,
We'll go 2 trays.
constructive criticism that I've gotten along the way, standard California food handler's license.
So I'm planning on super grading and getting the manager serve stage. I tend to take feedback seriously, see what meals go through, what meals don't go through. Every time me and my team get compliments in the kitchen for our food, we tend to make it better and continue on.
The team that I'm working with, they're all very supportive.
A lot of the reasons why we get along is our music taste and the way how we enjoy meals and food.
It ended up being a blessing in disguise. I really enjoyed working with the staff, and it's honestly been very therapeutic compared to some of the food service work I did in the past.